guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are still in the throes of April dupes. We are doing dupes all month long because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute. This is like the, I think, 8th year that we are doing April dupes, I believe. No, 7th year? 7th or 8th year, 2017, you do the math. I have a whole playlist of dupes that you can go and check out if this one doesn't tickle your fancy, but all month long we do dupes, as I have stated that's in this series. None of these videos are sponsored. I have purchased all of these products myself, so if sprinkled throughout you see a mini or maybe a little kit of minis or something, it's because your girl's on a tight budget, and so we just try to do the best we can with the little pennies that we have. But in today's video, we are testing the Urban Decay Lip Bond Unbreakable Liquid Lip Color against the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lip Color. And I tried to get a shade in each of them that like was as close as possible, because whereas they do both offer a wide array of colors, they do not offer the same colors at all. So let's talk about it. In the first one, we have the Urban Decay Lip Bond. This is $28. You get 4.2 milliliters or 1.14 fluid ounces. It comes in 16 shades. You have nudes, pinks, berries. They even have a black, which is fantastic. A little blurb about what the website or Ulta says about it is Urban Decay Vice Lip Bond Glossy Long Wear Liquid Lipstick gives one swipe color with a shiny finish and comfort that's food, drink, and transfer resistant and PDA approved. Benefits: a long-lasting liquid lip, gives 16-hour wear, glossy kissable lips, moisturizing, vibrant shades, transfer proof. Features bi-phase formula, shake lipstick for 5 seconds to activate bold color and instant shine with one swipe application. Lightweight with comfort that commits. This liquid lipstick resists transfer, budging, and flaking. Vegan formula, cruelty-free, no animal-derived ingredients. Okay. So moving on to the Maybelline, this is the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. It comes in 20 shades, but there is no black shade, and I find that to be a damn shame. I really wish that there was a black shade in this. It retails for $9.98 to $12.99 depending on where you buy it. You can get it at Walmart, Target, Ulta. Anywhere where Maybelline is sold, they pretty much have this in stock. It is, I was able to find it a lot of different places. I think I bought mine from Ulta though. What Maybelline says about this: meet Superstay Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipstick for budge resistant vinyl color, up to 16-hour wear. The long wear lipstick's color lock formula defies smudging and transfer and provides an instant shine finish. Shake before applying on clean, dry lips. Now available in 5 new pink shades, performance proof, dance proof. Choose from a total of 20 high impact shades. Shake up your long wear with the Superstay Vinyl Ink. This liquid lipstick delivers no budge saturated vinyl color, up to 16 hours wear. Its color lock formula defies smudging transfer. Yeah, alright. So there you go. You apply these the exact same way. You shake them up for 5 seconds and then you apply them. If you are familiar or unfamiliar with how I do dupes on my channel, I like to try and wear them side by side to really see how they perform, how they look next to each other. So that's what we're going to try to do today. I'm going to wear the Urban Decay on this side of my lips, and I'm going to wear the Maybelline on this side of my lips, and we're going to see if these colors are similar and also how they wear. This is the outside packaging for both of them. So not exactly the same, but very similar. I mean, alright. Shook it up, and now we're going to apply it to this side. Also, for any of you who are wondering, the Urban Decay shade that I am using is called Raw Footage, and the Maybelline color that I am using is Unrivaled. Again, they both have a wide array of shades, but they do not match up exactly. There are some similarities about them, but for the most part, they don't really like correlate to each other. For the Maybelline side, okay. This looks silly because they're two different colors, but here they are side by side. I do feel the Urban Decay getting a little tacky because I applied it first, so it's having a little bit of time to kind of dry down. And the Maybelline is feeling really, really comfortable on the lips, so I'm interested to see in a couple seconds how like that feels, or if it feels similarly. But as you can see, they both deliver a really nice high shine kind of like look to them. Do I have one of these? I have used the Maybelline one before. I do have the Wicked shade, which is like a nice bright red. So I do have experience using these, and they are very like long lasting, long wearing. The shine does kind of like wear off, so I will say that the gloss effect of it, or the vinyl effect of it, does kind of like wear off after you've worn it for a while, or if you're eating or drinking or things like that. So you will probably have to touch up throughout the night if you do want that like high intensity shine. But what is nice about it is that it doesn't transfer or anything like that when you are giving smooches and things like that. So if you're like a very bold lip girly, especially for like your wedding day, prom, special event, homecoming, you know, any type of situation like that, like a bold lip that doesn't transfer is really hard. And I feel like these are a direct response to Lip Sense. If you guys know or remember Lip Sense, it's still around. I mean, you can still get Lip Sense, but I feel like this is the market, what am I trying to say? The market response to the MLM Lip Sense, or whatever they're called, with the like no transfer or anything like that. So once this dries down a little bit more, we're going to try and like kiss the back of my hand and see like if it actually is, you know, really, really transfer proof. I do see like there is some like wetness. So like obviously you're going to have to let it kind of like sit down. You're going to have to let it like dry down first before you can, you know, test out the transfer proofness. But as I am wearing them, the Maybelline side is getting a little tacky, but I still think that the Urban Decay is a little bit tackier than the Maybelline side. So, but it's really comfortable on the lips. Again, I don't feel it like tightening up or anything. It just kind of has that like little bit of like tackiness. And what is nice is when you are kind of like ing the lips, like popping the lips or smacking the lips, like it isn't coming off. You know how like sometimes matte lipsticks or like long lasting lipsticks, when you do the like it has a tendency to kind of like grip onto itself and like come off? That's not happening. So again, the edges where my lips are a little bit more on the wet side, that's what's coming off on the edges, because I didn't let those like sit or set for long enough, because your girl is impatient. Nobody has time to be waiting for that. Yeah. Just on the edges where like it hasn't set fully, but like in the middle, there is a little bit of transferring, but for the most part, like this is pretty good. Like it's not all coming off or anything like that. So I do think that it's a really good, you know, both of them are a really good lipstick. They're both wearing the same. They're both feeling the same. The applicators for them also are the same, basically. So I don't know if you're seeing that. So yeah, like the doe foots for them, they're pretty much the exact same. So yeah, for a, what is that? Savings? You're talking about like an $18 savings. An $18 to a $16 savings from the Urban Decay to the Maybelline. And honestly, if you like, unless there is like a very specific color in the Urban Decay, just go get the Maybelline. You know, you're gonna save yourself some, what, $16, depending on where you buy the Maybelline. They're the exact same thing, they're wearing the same, they feel the same, and again, I feel like this comes down to like color, you know, like if there is a specific color in the Urban Decay that you like have to have, that's one thing, that's different versus like the Maybelline who has a lot of different ones. And honestly, maybe they'll come out with a black one. I wouldn't be surprised if this is doing really, really well because like it does feel so comfortable on the lips and like it is smudge proof for the most part. Yeah. So it is an absolute dupe. Go buy the Maybelline one. Who is Maybelline owned by? Because I know L'Oreal owns Urban Decay. I don't know who owns Maybelline though. I would be interested to see who owns both of these companies to see kind of like the behind the scenes business rivalry of it all. But yeah, Urban Decay, $28, 16 shades. Maybelline, $10 to $12 or $10 to $13 depending on where you buy it, 20 shades. Maybelline offered in a lot more retailers than Urban Decay. That's all I'm saying. That's all I have to say. I will link both of these down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time if you are interested. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.